Hello to all my Grateful Heart travelers. It's your girl Apri back with another vlog. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a walking tour here in Belize at NCL's private beach area. So come along for the fun. They have some family fun for everyone, as well as some private cabanas that you can rent for about $45. This should be a nice relaxing lunch.
Can I be in the video?
Oh, if you want to be in there, get in there. What up, fellow NCL passengers? All right, all right. How you enjoying your cruise?
Great.
Awesome, awesome.
Great.
What's your name for YouTube?
I'm Bo Brannon.
All right, all right.
Washington State.
Okay, well, welcome to Cruise Life.
Where are you from?
Dallas.
Dallas.
Yum. Best ice cream in Belize. It's a cute little shop. This tree chair. Oh my gosh, look at this water. Gorgeous. This has been such a beautiful day here in Belize at the NCL Primus Private Island. They have tons of nice little shops. Best ice cream ever. Really nice beach area. Definitely a nice place to relax for the day. Guys, check out this cool chocolate making shop. Moho Chocolate Family. It's pretty interesting. Learn about the history of making chocolate in Belize. Really cool. They do?
Like, you know.
Very cute. Oh yeah. It is so nice that they have these little carts to take you back to the boat. Isn't that awesome?
Okay.